Hello mga friends! Today, Eric's making breakfast. Oh, he already flipped it over.
They can't see it. Show it to them. Pancakes.
Hello
There's my
everybody.
husband.
Alright.
Smells good. What did you put, Eric?
Well, I can't tell you. It's a secret.
Secret.
Secret recipe.
Flip
From
it over.
Noni.
Now you wanna flip it over. You go like this.
Ain't brown enough yet.
No, don't use this.
Oh. Relax. It's not that type of frying pan. You see how squared up the edges are?
You can still. Ah, that's how you're gonna do it. Look at that. Wow.
Perfect.
Smells good. One pancake for you. Alright. One pancake. Don't forget. You didn't say nothing. Okay, 2 pancake for you, Erik.
They're little.
For you?
Yeah. They're for you. They're for you.
I'm going here.
They're for you.
There you go.
Having breakfast. Erik may make breakfast for me, for him, and for my husband there. He's very nice. He's very sweet. He's very kind.
And he's single.
He's everything. No, not quite single.
Not quite single. Okay.
Pakalaman natin. Pakalaman na.
Nope, nope. Won't touch my pancakes.
Honey.
Don't mess with the chef's cooking.
Honey. Erik.
Eric's bigger than me now, so.
Hiding.
Look at that.
Oh,
Thank you
yeah.
mga friends for